and this is our van soul.
If you didn't know already, we're two Aussies who packed up our lives and bought a van in England to travel Europe without a plan or a return ticket.
Follow us on this dream journey as we learn the ups and downs of living in a van, the beauty of Europe, and much more. Onshore.
That onshore wind, it's got to make that big swell.
It's going to be good. So this is Foz. Fozzy. But this Foz is on the pump.
Let's get out there.
Yeah.
Shred some girths.
Well, we had a few drinks at Porto, so we need it.
Doesn't even
detox. Wait, can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it now? Okay, so this is how we do washing. We got a tip from one of our mates in Donostia, Manon.
So there is this that takes out all the colour.
When
so you can wash it with whites.
Yeah, so you can wash everything all together instead of having to do two washes. And then, yeah. In she goes, wash two, 450 euros, so like $7 or something.
You enjoying it, mate?
You reckon I got enough flour on it? It's pretty self-raised.
Look at this DIY action to hang up our washing. Very nice.
We are in Figueira da Foz, I think, which is just down from Porto. What? I'm putting it up.
Like that.
Anywho, that's all going in anyway. And so we just surfed this place because it's actually really good for surfing.
Tom just surfed it.
Yeah, it's a bit big, it was like 5 foot, I think.
Last I uploaded a YouTube vlog.
Yep, which is up, so please check it out. It's probably been out for like 4 months already.
But check this one out.
Check this one out too.
Yeah, and our channel.
Yeah, please subscribe. But yeah, it was really freaking good. There was a lot of locals out there, so it's kind of scary. But it was really fun, and now we're gonna go walk through the town. So Google Maps has told us that this is the busy area where you can eat, see and shop. Where the fuck is everyone? I guess it is a Tuesday, so no one's really out in the town. Not just a regular block, it's a super bar.
So this is a toll machine. I'm just gonna film. And I always have to do it because we're meant to be a left-hand drive.
Yeah,
well, not meant to be, but. Ticket.
And this, that's a little thing. Put the ticket in. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Pay me money.
Blip, blip, blip. $12.65.
Oh, that's a bit expensive.
It's very expensive. I don't even think I have that money in my car. This is definitely one of the most expensive ones
I
we've
think
had.
it did that. I don't think I have the money.
You know what? I'm just gonna pay in cash.
Say what? No. Ah. Oh, watch yourself.
Cartão inválido.
I don't know what to do.
What do you mean? Can you do that change? How'd that go, Liv?
It's not even
Oh, there we go.
Hey!
Obrigado!
Obrigado!
Take my money.
We are at the famous Nazaré, and it's not pumping.
Yeah, it's about half a foot at the moment.
Yeah.
So that's the lighthouse, and the wave breaks just there, as you can tell, that west. So there's a gorge that, if you didn't know, Nazaré, so there's a gorge that runs all the way through here. So then the waves come in all the way deep, and it doesn't break, doesn't lose any energy, then hits his bank or like cliff, then like times by 15, and just goes boom. Imagine you just like got in your wetsuit, just like paddled out there, and you're like sitting there like waiting.
Waiting for the 100-year
Waiting
storm.
for the fucking 100-year storm.
Nazaré is a small coastal town and is home to the biggest waves in the world. This wave can get up to 100 foot, with surfers travelling from all over the world to attempt it. It's €1 to enter the museum, and parking is free. However, it is a courtesy to pay the guy who directs you to a free space.
That's not even one of the biggest ones though, like that's an in-between because look how much fucking foam is all around that.
I don't make these very high.
I'm gonna get so boxed in this bocking town. I'm gonna get super boxed! Super box! Super size! Super annoying!
Going down some random sandy road.
We usually look for parks on Park for Night that have good reviews and a nice location and not really in the centre of town.
And also, Portugal is really hard when it comes to stealth camping, because it technically is like illegal, and like a lot of police come around and tell you to like move on or whatever. So you've got to be really careful. So this is the road we're currently going down.
Which is cool. Bit of full drive action with
Sol putting her through the hard yards.
I'll show you when we get there.
Current situation. Currently bogged. At least we're bogged in a good place. We're out of it. We Gucci. We got out of it.
You know how?
Because of my muscles.
Yeah, well, you know actually how? If you're ever in a shit situation, put the tyres down. Rule number 1. If you still can't get out with tyres down, put rocks under your tyres if you don't have max tracks.
Number 2.
Use Liv and her huge muscles and you'll get out easy peasy. But
Yeah.
the first 2 is actually how you do it.
Cooking for once. Go, babe.
He drive.
Bock that bock.
He cook. What can he do?
Tom made his first meal.
No, it's not the first. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wonderful. How good
The
does that
second.
look? The second meal. You for tonight? The state of the kitchen that I get to also clean with Liv. So this is where we stayed. Right here on the beach at Nazaré. There's a few other campers. We had our little fire with the ones at the far over there. They're Aussies. First Aussies we've actually seen, which is ridiculous. And then, well, they've gone now, but there was a van right there. And they got themselves so bogged last night. It was actually hilarious. Pretty much exactly where we got bogged, but instead of not freaking out, they started spinning the tyres so much that they got so bogged, and it took us like, it took all of us, every single person in every car was, like we were just digging and putting rocks and like trying to get them out, and it was just so fucked. But we finally got them out, so that was good. So, we've kind of done heaps of trial and error, and the best way to pack away is putting chairs and yoga mat and our North Face bag there, and then having the bed set, but having the pillow set like this, so then depending on where we stay, we can just change the pillow, so either step up that end or this end.
And then we've had to move this jug from here because if you can't see, it was like pulling it out.
The cladding was not intertwined, like it wasn't interlocked properly, so it was actually just the weight of it was just kind of popping it out. So I've just decided to take that out, and then might get rid of it altogether.
Oh.
So, what are we doing? We're going to
The farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
Purely just to get olives.
Yeah, just to get olives because they're a bit expensive in the supermarkets, but
And
we
growth.
we met some Aussies last night, first ones of the trip, and they said that this one is a good one and you can get as many olives as you want for like $2.50, so that's what we're gonna do.
That's so sick.
Such a sick little car.
Super.
Super Bach. This is the farmer's market. Hot tip, always go to the ones with the dirtiest fingers. Cheapest.
Obrigada. Got some olives, they're oregano flavored.
Yep.
Then we got some like strong cheddar cheese, so that's quite nice.
For how much?
$2.30. A broccoli. I think these are peaches.
Oh, they're like squished. Someone sat on them.
Yeah. We got mandarins, and then we walked past another lady and she had like double the size mandarins.
Just pumping steroids in them.
Yeah. Some random Portuguese like nectarine thing. And yeah, that's what we got. Just casually driving, you know, just going past. Look at that. BTW, we just arrived at Peniche, which is like this like little like peninsula. Well, it's not little, but it's got a bunch of like depending on the wind, you can surf on either side. So pretty much it's always good somewhere. Maybe we might have got that wrong, but
Who told you that?
the German.
I don't think she was talking about Peniche. She was talking about the very bottom.
Oh, looks great. You can't really see it, but Tom decided to charge his 3 batteries drones.
Three batteries for the drone.
3 batteries for the drone, whilst it was cloudy like that. So now we have no power.
Yeah, so I have drained the 2 batteries and I did charge them at like 3 o'clock, which is like after peak sun.
Such an idiot.
Well, you gotta learn somehow. Anyway, so we've learned and we've set it all up, so once it gets to 12 volts, which will probably be tomorrow, then we'll have power again. Peniche, just a nectarine. It's really sweet though.
Going on a bit of a walk today, just because it's really windy if you can't tell.
Yeah, and the surf. Don't think it's
Dog crap. And yeah. There's the lighthouse. We're still waiting for the solar panels to recharge after Tom's mishap of charging 3 batteries and a battery controller
well,
when it's cloudy.
everyone's gonna make us say somehow.
So everything in our fridge is low-key going off.
What can you do? Nothing.